If you're on the hunt for design resources, you've probably heard of Freepik. But is it really the best option out there? Let's dig into what makes this platform tick and whether it's worth your time and money. Freepik is a design resource platform that offers a vast library of graphics, templates, and stock photos. It caters to designers, marketers, and anyone in need of visual content. The user experience is pretty straightforward. You can search for specific assets or browse through categories. What stands out immediately is the sheer volume of content available, millions of files at your fingertips. However, while the interface is user-friendly, some features feel a bit cluttered. For instance, the search function can sometimes yield mixed results, making it tricky to find exactly what you're looking for. Additionally, Freepik operates on a freemium model, which means free users have limited access to premium content. This can be frustrating for casual users who might not want to pay for subscriptions but still want quality assets. Overall, Freepik feels like a solid option for those who need a variety of design resources, but it's worth noting that it may not be the best fit for everyone. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Freepik offers a massive library of resources, which is a huge plus for designers looking for variety. The quality of assets is generally high, and the platform is easy to navigate. On the flip side, some users might find the pricing model a bit limiting. The free tier lacks access to premium assets, and the subscription can feel steep if you're only looking for occasional downloads. Additionally, the search function sometimes falls short, leading to a bit of frustration when trying to pinpoint specific items. If you're a frequent designer or content creator, Freepik could be a valuable tool. But if you only need occasional resources, you might want to explore other options first. In conclusion, Freepik is a powerful resource for designers and marketers who need a steady stream of graphics and templates. However, casual users might find it less appealing due to its pricing structure and occasional search frustrations. If you're serious about design, it's worth a try, otherwise consider alternatives that fit your needs better.